Good afternoon, students. Okay, so today we have to learn that AC fundamentals. Okay, in AC fundamentals, we have to learn that AC, that is alternating quantity, alternating current. Okay, and DC, that is direct current. So AC, okay, okay, AC is shown like this. Okay, so this is our on x-axis time period. Okay, that is time t. Okay, and in that y-axis voltage or current. Okay, voltage or current parameters, that is electrical parameters. Okay, so AC, that is alternating current waveform. Okay, this is a sine waveform. Okay, so that sine waveform is this starts from 0. Okay, so it alternates the current or voltage. Okay, it alternates that, okay, continuously with respect to time. Okay, so this is positive half cycle and this is negative half cycle. Okay, so this total one positive half cycle and one negative half cycle is called as a total time. Okay, so one revolution of cycle or one complete cycle. Okay, so this is AC. Okay, so now DC. Okay, so DC is shown like this. Okay, so DC is our direct current. Okay, that is constant. Okay, so there is no any frequency. Okay, there is no any magnitude. Okay, changes with respect to polarity. Okay, so there is no any changes with respect to polarity. Okay, there is changes in magnitude and polarity and direction with respect to time. Okay, so this is about AC and DC. Okay, so this basic difference of AC and DC. Okay, so AC, that is alternating current, DC, that is direct current. Okay, so in AC, magnitude. Okay, so magnitude means what, or amplitude means what? Okay, so in AC waveform, okay, this is our sine waveform. Okay, so this cycle starts from 0. Okay, from 0, so this value increases. Okay, so suppose the value is voltage or current. Okay, so this voltage or current increases. Okay, so at this level, so this is called a peak. Okay, this is called a peak or called maximum. Okay, so if voltage consider, then maximum value of voltage. Okay, so maximum value of voltage or peak value of voltage, that is Vp or V max. Okay, so 0 to this maximum value. Okay, again it from 0. Okay, it comes to 0, and again it is a negative half cycle and this is a positive half cycle. Okay, so this is with respect this complete cycle with respect to time. Okay, so the completion of cycles. Okay, that is this number of cycles. Okay, this number of cycles. Okay, so number of cycles completed in time or completed in second is called a frequency. Okay, so frequency, that is number of cycles completed in second. Okay, number of cycles completed in 1 second is called frequency. So this frequency is denoted by F and measured in hertz, and measured in hertz. Okay, so this is frequencies unit. Okay, frequencies unit. Okay, so the number of cycles completed in 1 second is called frequency and measured in hertz. Okay, unit of frequency is hertz. Okay, so now time period. Okay, so time period means, time period means that is this AC cycle, that is AC waveform. Okay, complete one cycle. Okay, that is positive half cycle and negative half cycle. Okay, that one complete cycle. Okay, okay, completed in one cycle. So this complete one cycle. Okay, time required to complete one cycle. Okay, time required to complete one cycle. Okay, so that time is called as time period. Okay, time required to complete one cycle is called as time period. Okay, so time measured in second. Okay, time measured in second, that is s. Okay, so time measured in second, that is s. Okay. So next is our peak value or maximum value, that is called as amplitude. Okay, so next is our, okay, so this is AC cycle. Okay, so in that starts from 0. Okay, so increases slightly. Okay, so if voltage or current quantity, okay, with respect to time. Okay, so if voltage increases slightly, okay, so this is called a peak value. This is called a peak value or maximum value of voltage or maybe current. Okay, so that increases. Okay, so from the, okay, from positive half cycle. Okay, 0 starts from peak value or maximum value. Okay, so RMS value, okay, that is RMS value, that is root means, RMS value, that is root mean square. Okay, RMS means root mean square. Okay, so root mean square means squared of, that is peak value. Okay, squared of peak value, that is RMS value. Okay, so RMS value is our 0.707 of Vm or Vp. Okay, that is 0.707 of maximum value or peak value. Okay, so 0.707. Okay, that is RMS value means Vrms is equal to Vm by root 2. Okay, so Vm by root 2, so 1 by root 2 times of maximum value or peak value. So this is one RMS value. Okay, so 1 by root 2 करके हम देखेंगे कैल्सी में, तो 0.707 आएगा. ओके, स्टूडेंट्स हु हैविंग एन कैल्सी कैलकुलेटर, ओके, सो कैलकुलेट दिस 1 by root 2. So this is equal to 0.707. Okay, so 0.707 of maximum value or peak value is called a RMS value. Okay, is called RMS value. So same as like this IRMS. Okay, that is RMS value of current is equal to Im by root 2 or 1 by root 2 times of maximum value of current or peak value of current. Okay, so now next we have to see that. Okay, so resistance. Okay, resistance, that is, okay, resistance. Okay, so electrical parameters: resistance, capacitor, resistor, capacitor and inductor. Okay, that is resistor indicated in R. Okay, capacitor indicated in C, inductor indicated in L. Okay, so resistor symbol is like this. Okay, resistor symbol is like this. Okay, resistor, and that resistor measured in ohm. Okay, so ohm is unit of resistance. Okay, so ohm is a scientist name. Okay, ohm एक scientist है. Okay, who invented that resistor. Okay, ओहम साइंटिस्ट ने क्या किया है, रेजिस्टेंस इन्वेंट किया है. ओके, सो दैट रेजिस्टेंस मीन्स opposition to the flow of current. Okay, resistance means opposition to the flow of current. If circuit is like in this, okay, जो हमारा circuit है, okay, so across resistance we have to, okay, give the supply. Okay, suppose this is AC supply. Okay, so AC supply देने के बाद क्या होगा, current will starts flowing through this circuit. Okay, so this is one complete circuit or one complete loop. Okay, so current starts flowing through this. Okay, that resistor, okay, that resistor opposes the flow of current. Okay, that resistor opposes the flow of current. Okay, so resistance, that okay, that resistor property of material, okay, opposes the flow of current. Okay, so this is the definition of resistance and resistance is measured in ohm. Okay, जो हमारा current flow होता है circuit में, okay, so oppose to the flow of that current, okay, or cause to flow of that current. Okay, so ये जो resistance, resistor का क्या है, फंक्शन है. ओके, सो रजिस्टर क्या करता है, जो हमारा करंट फ्लो होता है उसे क्या करता है, अपोज करता है. और दिस इज द वन कॉज to flow of current. Okay, so this is the property of that resistor material. Okay, so resistor opposes to the flow of current. This is the definition of resistance. Okay, and resistance is measured in ohm. So symbol of ohm is like this. Okay, so next is our capacitor. Okay, so capacitor, okay, that is capacitor is ability to flow of, okay, ability to flow the charge. Okay, ability to to store the charge. Okay, so capacitor is ability to store the charge. Okay, so in capacitor these are the two electroplates. Okay, in capacitor these are the two electroplates having an media. Okay, so this media is called air. Okay, this media is called air. Okay, or this medium air acts as a electro medium. Okay, in that two electroplates. Okay, so capacitor is ability to store the charge. Okay, so next is our so capacitor is measured in farad. Okay, so farad is Farad भी एक scientist है. Okay, who invented that capacitor. Okay, next is our inductor. Okay, so inductor is shown like this. Okay, inductor means क्या है, one coil. Okay, inductor is one type of coil. Okay, so on that coil, okay, wounded. Okay, so we have to give the current. Okay, so that current opposed to the change in flow of current. Okay, opposed to the change in flow of current. Okay, so this is the function of inductor. Okay, change in current. Okay, so L inductor, inductor indicated or inductor inductor indicated by an L. Okay, and measured in Henry, and measured in Henry. Okay, so these are the three parameters, that is R, L and C. Okay, R, L, C, resistor, inductor, capacitor. Okay, resistor measured in ohm, capacitor measured, inductor measured in Henry, capacitor measured in farad. Okay, so these are the three parameters. Okay, so purely resistive means, okay, purely resistive means, okay, this is circuit of purely resistive. Okay, across that we have to give a supply. Okay, that is AC supply. Okay, single phase AC supply. In that circuit current starts flowing through this circuit. Okay, this is our resistor, purely resistor. Okay, so equations of AC supply means, this is our AC supply. Okay, so AC supply, that is sine waveform. Okay, so if voltage, okay, on y-axis voltage. Okay, on x-axis, time period, that is time t. Okay, so this is one complete cycle. Okay, so starts from 0, this is positive. Okay, this is your peak value, or maximum value of voltage, and 0 to pi and 2 pi. Okay, so 0 to 2 pi, that is okay, time period. Okay, to complete one cycle. Okay, to complete one cycle, time period, that is 0 to 2 pi. Okay, 0 to 2 pi radians, or 0 to 360 degree. Okay, 0 to 360 degree. Okay, so now, so equation is our V is equal to Vm sine omega t. Okay, so omega means angular frequency. Okay, omega means angular frequency. It is denoted by omega. Okay, t, that is t, that is time period. V, that is maximum value of voltage. Sine for waveform, sine waveform. Okay, so numerically by sine. Okay, so V is equal to Vm sine omega t. Vm for maximum value of voltage, sine, that is sine waveform, omega for angular frequency, that is 0 to 2 pi radians. Okay, omega is 0 to 2 pi radians. T is time period. Okay, time to complete one cycle, that is time period t. Okay, V is equal to Vm sine omega t. Next, I is equal to Im sine omega t. Okay, that is current flowing through this circuit. Okay, current flowing through the resistor, that is I is equal to Im, that is maximum value of current, sine for sine waveform, omega that is angular frequency, t time period. Okay, so these are the equations of voltage and current. V is equal to Vm sine omega t, I is equal to Im sine omega t. Now next is our inductor. Okay, purely inductive circuit, in that we have to connect inductor, okay, across given same as like of resistive circuit, purely AC supply, that is single phase AC supply. Now this is inductor. Okay, so current starts flowing through this circuit also. Okay, so same waveform. Okay, same AC supply. Okay, 0, that is pi, 2 pi. Okay, this is time period t, this is voltage. So cycle or AC supply voltage starts from 0, that is peak value. This is a peak value or maximum value of voltage. Now it starts from peak value, again slightly decreasing, slightly increasing, slightly decreasing, 0, again slightly increasing, again slightly decreasing. This is positive half cycle and this is negative half cycle. Okay, so time required to complete one cycle, this is total time period. Okay, so same voltage current equation. So V is equal to Vm sine omega t. Now current equation, in that in inductor, okay, inductor, that current lags the supply voltage V. Okay, so lagging, leading and phase difference. Okay, previous lecture lagging, leading, phase difference हमने देखा है. Okay, so lags means करंट लैग्स द वोल्टेज, और जो लैगिंग मीन्स जो करंट है वो हमारा करंट क्या है इंडक्टर में स्लाइटली डिक्रीजिंग. ओके, और कम, सो रिड्यूस दैट करंट. ओके, सो जो करंट है वो हमारा minimum है. Okay, so that minimum current means current lags the voltage. Okay, so lagging means that this is our voltage and current lags to the voltage. Okay, so according to waveform, okay, so this is your voltage waveform. Okay, so this is your current waveform, this is your current waveform. Okay, so this voltage waveform starts from 0. Okay, and this current waveform, okay, starts from here. Okay, so from this is a phase difference. Okay, this is called a phase difference or phase angle between voltage and current. Okay, phase angle between voltage and current. Voltage waveform starts from 0 and current waveform starts from this. Okay, so this is the phase difference or phase angle between voltage and current. Okay, so voltage and current. Okay, so this phase difference means current lags the voltage. Okay, current lags the voltage by and some angle, so that some angle is called a phase angle. Okay, that some angle is called a phase angle. Okay, current lags the voltage, current lags the voltage. So now equation, so this is our waveform. Okay, so this is voltage. Okay, this is voltage waveform. Okay, this is your current waveform. Okay, so this is starts from 0 and this is our phase difference phi. Okay, so phase angle between voltage and current. So current lags the voltage. Okay, current, okay, current lags the voltage by and some phase angle phi. Okay, by and some phase angle phi. Okay, so equations are V is equal to Vm sine omega t. So this equation for AC supply is given. Okay, AC supply is given. Okay, from 0 voltage equation. Okay, that this is voltage. Okay, so this is maximum value of voltage. Okay, voltage with respect to time. So Vm, that is maximum value of voltage, sine for sine waveform, omega that is angular frequency, 0 pi 2 pi. Okay, so 0 to 2 pi okay, that is 0 to 2 pi radians means angular frequency, or 0 to 360 degree. Okay, so this is angular frequency omega t with respect to time t. Okay, so this is voltage equation. V is equal to Vm sin omega t. Now I is equal to Im sin omega t minus phi. Im sin omega t minus phi. This equation, because this is our voltage equation, or this is our voltage supply. Okay, this is our voltage supply. So starts from 0. This is our voltage. Okay, voltage equation, voltage waveform. V is equal to Vm sin omega t pi 2 pi. Okay, now current. Okay, current waveform starts from this. Current waveform starts from this. Okay, so this is the phase difference. Okay, this is the phase difference, or okay, this is the phase difference or phase angle. Okay, phase angle denoted by and phi. Okay, so this is our करंट वेवफॉर्म. ये हमारा जो है वो करंट वेवफॉर्म है. ओके, सो वोल्टेज एंड करंट. ओके, सो फेज अँगल बिटवीन वोल्टेज अँड करंट. ओके, वोल्टेज आणि करंटमधला जो फेज अँगल आहे. ओके, म्हणजे बघा वोल्टेज वेवफॉर्म कुठून स्टार्ट झाली 0पासून, आणि करंट वेवफॉर्म कुठून स्टार्ट झाली इथून. म्हणजे ह्या दोन वेवफॉर्ममधला जो फेज अँगल आहे, जो फेज डिफरन्स आहे. ओके, तो फेज डिफरन्स म्हणजेच आय इज इक्वल टू आय एम साइन ओमेगा टी मायनस फाय. ओके, आता मायनस फाय म्हणजे निगेटिव्ह साइन का, कारण करंट काय आहे वोल्टेजपेक्षा कमी आहे. करंट जो है हमारा वोल्टेज से क्या है लो है. ओके, सो दैट्स वाई दिस इज नेगेटिव साइन. ओके, और दिस इज कॉल्ड लैगिंग current. Okay, so this is called lagging current. Okay, so current lags the voltage means current जो है हमारा वो lagging है voltage से. हमारा जो current है वो हमारा क्या है मिनिमम है according to voltage. Okay, so that current lags the voltage or voltage leads the current in inductor. Okay, okay, so equations of voltage and current. V is equal to equations of voltage and current. V is equal to Vm sin omega t. I is equal to Im sin omega t minus phi. Okay, this phi is phase angle between voltage and current, phase difference between voltage and current. Okay, so these are the equations of voltage and current. Okay, कळालं का स्टुडंट, समजलं का? सो नेक्स्ट बघा, नेक्स्ट आहे आपला आता कॅपॅसिटर. ओके, प्योरली कैपेसिटिव सर्किट. त्याच्यामध्ये काय केलेलं आहे. ओके, इसमें हमने क्या किया है, कैपेसिटर के अक्रॉस हमने क्या किया है, एसी सप्लाई दिया है. Okay, AC supply is given through across the capacitor. Okay, so in that same current flowing through this circuit. Okay, this is one closed loop or closed circuit. So current flowing through this circuit. Okay, so now the AC supply voltage waveform is okay. So voltage, this is starts from 0. This is pi and this is 2 pi with respect to time t. Okay, so V, this is voltage. Okay, so voltage equation. Okay, so positive half cycle and negative half cycle, this is total time period t. Okay, total time period t. Okay, so voltage equation of सप्लाय इज गिवन. V इज इक्वल टू Vm साइन ओमेगा टी. ही इक्वेशन आहे आपली. सप्लाय आपण दिलेला आहे AC वोल्टेज. ओके, सो इन दॅट काय होणार बघा आता. आता ह्याची वेवफॉर्म कसे येणार. हे आपले आहे करंटची वेवफॉर्म, हे आपलं आहे व्होल्टेजचं वेवफॉर्म. ओके, आता ह्याच्यामध्ये काय होणार, करंट लीड्स द व्होल्टेज. ओके, आता बघा इथं करंट व्होल्टेजपेक्षा जास्त आहे, म्हणजे करंट कुठून स्टार्ट झालं आहे इथून 0पासून. ओके, आणि व्होल्टेज वेवफॉर्म आपली इथून, म्हणजेच ह्यांच्यामधला जो काय आहे फेज अँगल आहे, ह्यांच्यामधला सुद्धा काय आहे फेज अँगल. ओके, किंवा फेज डिफरन्स. ओके, सो करंट लीड्स द वोल्टेज. ओके, करंट काय आहे वोल्टेजपेक्षा काय आहे जास्त आहे. करंट जो है हमारा वोल्टेज से क्या है ज़्यादा है. ओके, सो करंट leads the voltage. Okay, current leads the voltage. Okay, current leads the voltage by an angle phi, or phase angle, by and some phase angle phi. Okay, so current leads the voltage. Okay, so current leads the voltage means किंवा करंट काय आहे आपलं व्होल्टेजपेक्षा जास्त आहे. ओके, म्हणजेच काय, कॅपॅसिटरमध्ये काय आहे, लीडिंग करंट आहे. कॅपॅसिटरमध्ये काय आहे, लीडिंग करंट आहे. ओके, म्हणजेच काय, आपलं करंट काय आहे, व्होल्टेजपेक्षा जास्त आहे. करंट लीड्स द व्होल्टेज. ओके, सो म्हणून आता ह्याची इक्वेशन कसं येणार बघा. V इज इक्वल टू VM साइन ओमेगा टी. ओके, आता हे कशासाठी झालं, आपलं जे काही सप्लाय व्होल्टेज आहे, आपण AC सप्लाय दिलेला आहे, म्हणजेच हे त्याच्यासाठी. ओके, हे जे आपण सप्लाय व्होल्टेज दिलेलं आहे त्याच्यासाठी. आता I इज इक्वल टू, म्हणजेच करंट जे आपण आपल्या सर्किटमधून फ्लो होणार आहे ते I इज इक्वल टू IM साइन ओमेगा टी प्लस फाय. ओके, IM साइन ओमेगा टी प्लस फाय. आता हे प्लस फाय म्हणजेच कसं असेल बघा, ही काय असेल, आपली व्होल्टेज वेवफॉर्म असेल. ओके, आणि हा करंट आपला काय असेल, व्होल्टेजपेक्षा काय असेल, जास्त असेल. ओके, म्हणजेच वेवफॉर्म कशी येणार होगा बघा इथं. ओके, हे मग हे जे काय आहे फेज अँगल किंवा फेज डिफरन्स आहे. ओके, सो दिस इज अवर करंट वेवफॉर्म. करंट लीड्स द व्होल्टेज. करंट लीड्स द व्होल्टेज. ओके, करंट लीड्स द व्होल्टेज. ओके, सो दिस इज सम फेज अँगल. ओके, सो फाय. ओके, करंट व्होल्टेजपेक्षा जास्त आहे म्हणून इथं फेज अँगल काय आहे, प्लस फाय आहे, पॉझिटिव्ह साईन आहे. ओके, आणि इंडक्टरमध्ये आपण काय बघितली, इंडक्टरमध्ये आपण काय बघितलं, इन इंडक्टर निगेटिव्ह साइन. ओके, सो V इज इक्वल टू वोल्टेज, V इज इक्वल टू VM साइन ओमेगा टी, I इज इक्वल टू IM साइन ओमेगा टी मायनस फाय. म्हणजेच काय, तुमचा करंट काय आहे, व्होल्टेजपेक्षा लॅगिंग आहे, कमी आहे, म्हणून इथं काय आहे, निगेटिव्ह साईन आहे. इथं करंट काय आहे, व्होल्टेजपेक्षा जास्त आहे, लीडिंग करंट आहे, म्हणून इथं साईन काय आहे, पॉझिटिव्ह, दॅट इज प्लस फाय. ओके, सो दीज आर दी व्होल्टेज इक्वेशन. ओके, आता बघा व्होल्टेज आणि करंट इक्वेशन बघा. V इज इक्वल टू VM साइन ओमेगा टी, I इज इक्वल टू IM साइन ओमेगा टी. ओके, V इज इक्वल टू VM साइन ओमेगा टी, I इज इक्वल टू IM साइन ओमेगा टी माइनस फाय. V इज इक्वल टू VM साइन ओमेगा टी, I इज इक्वल टू IM साइन ओमेगा टी प्लस फाय. बघा, ओके, सो V इज इक्वल टू VM साइन ओमेगा टी, I इज इक्वल टू IM साइन ओमेगा टी. ओके, म्हणजेच व्होल्टेज अँड करंट आर इन फेज. ओके, व्होल्टेज अँड करंट आर इन फेज. ओके, voltage and current are in phase. म्हणजे voltage starts from 0, current also starts from 0. So voltage and current are in phase. So phasor diagram कशी येणार ह्यांची, voltage and current are in phase. There is no phase angle, there is no any phase difference. So phase angle is equal to 0. Phase angle is equal to 0 degree. Okay, so now in that voltage and current means this is our voltage waveform and this is our current waveform. Okay, current lags the voltage by and some phase angle phi. So this is that's why I is equal to IM sin omega t minus phi means current lags the voltage. So phasor diagram कशी येणार, current lags the voltage by an angle phi. Current lags the voltage by an फेज अँगल फाय. ओके, म्हणजे करंट काय आहे, व्होल्टेजपेक्षा कमी आहे, म्हणून इथं लॅगिंग करंट आहे, म्हणून इथं निगेटिव्ह फेज अँगल आहे, म्हणजेच मायनस फाय. ओके, आता कॅपॅसिटरमध्ये कसं असणार, V इज इक्वल टू VM साइन ओमेगा टी, ही आपली व्होल्टेज इक्वेशन, सप्लाय इक्वेशन. I इज इक्वल टू IM साइन ओमेगा टी प्लस फाय. म्हणजेच तुमचं वेवफॉर्म कशी आहे बघा. ओके, दिस इज युअर करंट वेवफॉर्म अँड दिस इज युअर voltage waveform. Okay, this is your voltage and current, and this is your voltage waveform. Okay, so this is your voltage and this is your current. So current leads the voltage by and some phase angle phi, okay. So that is V is equal to Vm sin omega t, I is equal to Im sin omega t plus phi. So plus phi means current leads the voltage by and some phase angle phi. मग आता फेजर डायग्राम कशी येणार बघा. Current leads the voltage. Current leads the voltage by and some phase angle. Current leads the voltage by and some phase angle, or voltage lags the current. Voltage lags the current by and some phase angle. Okay. आणि इंडक्टर मध्ये आपण काय बघितलं होतं, करंट lags the voltage by an angle phase angle. Okay. or voltage leads the current by an angle phase angle. Okay. बघा फेजर डायग्राम बघा. ओके, करंट लीड्स दी voltage lags the current lags the voltage leads the current. कशामध्ये आहे, by and हे for this is for capacitor circuit, this is for inductor circuit. Okay, this is the basic difference between inductor and capacitor and resistor. Okay, so in resistor voltage and current are in phase. In resistor voltage and current are in phase. There is no phase angle. Phase angle is equal to 0. Phase difference is 0. Okay, so equations of V is equal to Vm sin omega t, I is equal to Im sin ओमेगा टी. दोन्ही इक्वेशन कशा येणार, सेम येणार. ओके, आणि तुमचं इंडक्टरमध्ये कसं असणार, करंट काय असणार, लॅग असणार व्होल्टेजला. ओके, करंट लॅग्स द व्होल्टेज बाय अन अँगल फेज अँगल फाय. ओके, सो व्होल्टेज इक्वेशन V इज इक्वल टू Vm साइन ओमेगा टी, I इज इक्वल टू Im साइन ओमेगा टी मायनस फाय असणार. ओके, आणि कॅपॅसिटरमध्ये काय असणार, करंट leads the voltage by an angle phi. So V is equal to काय असणार, Vm sin omega t, I is equal to Im sin omega t plus phi. Okay, so minus phi plus phi, this is the okay. So this is the basic difference between resistor, inductor, capacitor. Okay, resistor, inductor, capacitor, these are the voltage and current equations of resistor, purely resistive, purely inductive, purely capacitive circuit. Okay, so in this lecture ह्या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण काय बघितलं, प्युअरली रेजिस्टिव्ह सर्किट, प्युअरली इंडक्टिव्ह सर्किट आणि प्युअरली कॅपॅसिटिव्ह सर्किट. ओके, नेक्स्ट लेक्चरला आपण RL RC सर्किट बघू. ओके, सो टुडे वी हॅव टू कन्क्लूड द सेशन. थँक्स.